Alam ko maraming magagalit and matatrigger neto, but I'm against hookup culture. Like, can we please stop normalizing hookup culture, te? Like, God, pansin ko lang sa society ngayon, te, I love Gen Z, te, the new generation, kasi mas naging open-minded na tayo, te. Pero sa sobrang pagka-normalize natin ng hookup culture, te, hindi na natin alam kung ano talaga yung definition ng real love. Can we please go back, te, dun sa form of love na genuine, na pure? You know what I mean? Marami pa ako nakikita sa mga comments, te, na it's just one night stand, it's just hex, like what the? If hindi ka spiritual, te, please scroll up this video. Kasi, te, baka hindi ka lang aware na when you hook up, te, you are exchanging energies. And by energies, te, yung mga trauma ng ibang tao, te, nare-receive mo yon, a-absorb ang energy mo ng katawan mo when you hook up. And especially, te, if hindi mo masyado kilala, te, like parang nakilala mo lang sa G-app, then G na G ka na, te, agad-agad without any assessment, like what's happening. And I know, te, may comment siya na, my body, my rules, yes, te. I'm not against any enjoyment, any fun, te. It doesn't mean, te, na you have freedom is you can abuse your body. Enjoy, pero please, there should be limitation. I'm not against any fun or ano, te, kung ano man yung plan mo sa buhay mo, te, go na yan. Pero masyado na kasing nanonormalize, masyado nang nagte-trend yung hookup culture, te, na para bang yung real love is hindi na natin alam kung ano talaga yung definition ng real love. Parang yung hookup culture, te, yun yung form ng real love that spread real, genuine energy of love, te. That type of love, te. Do your shit, do fun, do hookup, te, kahit mapagod ka pa, do hook up, pero please, do not invite someone to do it, or do not normalize it, do not make it as a trend. Hookup culture, te, is not classy. Yung pa yan lubos na kakilala, te, tapos like, you are giving them an access, private part of your body. Like, you know what I mean? It's not demure, it's not classy. Like, I know that I can't change you, it's your rules, it's your life, but please, then, let's not normalize hookup culture, please. Let's not normalize it. Stop it now. Instead, let's normalize genuine, truest form of love. Let's go.